Hey buddy, I'm running out of things to show you, so I'm just going to make a quick little video about a few different really cool things. So number one, I want to show you the staple gun. This is the staple gun here. We're going to take this staple gun and it's going to shoot a staple right into the wood, just like that. See that? Let's make a smiley face staple gun. What do you think about that? Smiley face staple gun. Next, I'm going to show you a screw. I'm going to take this screw right here and I'm going to put it into this wood. So let's use our little trusty little screw gun here. Ready? Next thing I want to do is I want to destroy a bad guy. So let's get a bad guy. You can tell he's a bad guy because the face in the cup. So take that, take the cup. Then we'll also need a torch. This torch. Turn on the acetylene. Give it one of these. Okay. Let's make that flame a little bit bigger. Okay, buddy? Alright, next, go like this, add a little oxygen. And then let's get him. See you later, bad guy! Wah-ha! Wah! And then for the giggles, let's melt this too. That's it. So as you can see, there's no more cup. The cup is gone, completely blown away. The wood is charred. I'd say that's a job well done right there. Yeah!